throw a question out to you. Fast forward 2 years. To Carrie's point, technology is moving really fast. The landscape is continuously changing. I don't know that any of us last year at this time would have understood the impact of ChatGPT and OpenAI, right? I think the past probably 4 or 5 months, it's been warp speed. But if we look ahead 2 years, what do you think digital visibility for manufacturers looks like? And what do you think will really make a leader based on, what they're focused on or what they're doing, a leader in their space? Where's the competitive edge in 2 years?
Yeah, it's like looking into a crystal ball. Pretty tough question, but
yeah, everyone's leaning in listening here, Jacqueline. So go ahead, tell.
I think being able to show up on the AI platforms is key. So staying in tune with up to date, keeping everything up to date, updating your content, and then the mindset. So there's so many people out there that have the mindset of AI is going to steal all of our jobs. We really need to move forward from that because it's here and it's going to keep growing and we're pretty much at the dial-up phase. So we've got a long ways to go and we have to accept it so that we can create more time for ourselves, use it to create more time for yourself, and working on harder decisions, harder challenges, and use AI and the agents to do more of the mundane or tasks that can be done pretty quickly.